So to begin with, I want to get you a little bit comfortable with the overall workflow of how people typically work in Motion, just sort of the real basics, nuts and bolts. And to do that, I want to return to my default window layout. I'm assuming that many of you have some experience in Final Cut Pro and are maybe moving from Final Cut Pro now dabbling in Motion for the first time. Fortunately, you'll find a lot of the same keyboard shortcuts work in Motion as they do in Final Cut Pro. And one of my very favorites is the window arrangement called Control U, and I like to think of that as when you're feeling like your windows have gotten out of control and you've lost dominance over your system and you want to just control your computer. The software's out of control. Control U, computer, and you press Control U, and boom, it resets your window to the default layout, and you breathe a sigh of relief. Whew. I have controlled my computer. And to find that in the menu, it is up here in the Window Layouts command, just like it is in Final Cut Pro. There's that standard layout with the Control U shortcut. And just as a reminder, every keyboard shortcut is listed here in the menu. So as you start using menu items frequently, you can go through and start learning those shortcuts so that you can quickly apply them from the keyboard rather than having to go up to the menus. Let's talk about that overall basic workflow. You saw what I did here. I grabbed an object from my file browser, and let's say we've got some moon shots here, some little moonwalking, bouncing guy up here, and I just drag the object from the file browser over here and bring it into my canvas, and wherever I position in the canvas is where it will go. And I think I've got another one here that's kind of interesting. We've got the shot of the moon guys over here. Here's our comet in the corner there. And right away, you see we are building a composite with multiple elements all at the same time in our video. Every time you select an object, the most common commands for that object appear here in the HUD, the heads-up display. And you see right now I have the moon hopping clip selected. And so here I can control that clip's opacity, a drop shadow. If I wanted to add one, I can change the blend mode. If I click on this clip over here, I get the same set of controls for that particular clip.